What's up, everyone? Today we're reviewing Trip.com, one of the biggest travel booking platforms you might not know about. With prices that sometimes beat Booking.com and Expedia, the big question is Trip.com legit or is it too good to be true? I did the research, and here's everything you need to know. Trip.com is IT approved, partners with over 510 airlines, and offers 24/7 customer support. It's actually one of the largest travel booking platforms in Asia and has been around for years under its previous name, Ctrip. The good news? Trip.com is legitimate and safe to use. Compared to other major travel websites like Expedia or Travelocity, this platform uses an encryption technology to protect your payment information, and you'll see that security padlock in your browser. Second, the prices are often genuinely cheaper, especially for Asia Pacific travel. They work with consolidators and have direct partnerships that can save you real money. Third, they have 24/7 customer support available through phone, chat, and email, which is crucial when things go wrong during travel. But here's what you need to know. The reviews are mixed. Trip.com has a 4-star rating on Trustpilot from over 151,000 reviews, while other review sites show lower scores, with some customers rating their experience as bad. Common complaints include issues with name corrections, where customers are charged fees to fix booking errors, and problems with booking confirmations taking several days. Some users report difficulties with cancellations and refunds, especially when dealing with third-party hotels or airlines. As a third-party booking site, if something goes wrong, you're dealing with Trip.com instead of directly with the airline or hotel, which can add extra hassle. The verdict? Trip.com is not a scam. However, like any third-party booking site, your experience depends on several factors: the specific deals you're booking, how smooth your trip goes, and whether you need customer service. If you book through Trip.com, use a credit card or PayPal for extra protection. Screenshot everything: your confirmation, prices, and booking details. Double check names and dates before confirming because changes can be expensive, and read the cancellation policy carefully before booking. Legit? Yes. Worth using? It depends. If you're booking straightforward trips and the price is significantly better, Trip.com can be a great option. But for complex itineraries, or if you want easier customer service, you might prefer booking directly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.